and I'm going to be making a wedding bouquet with roses. I'm going to pick some roses that have a slight bend in the stem. You don't want a rose that has a thick, very straight stem. I'm going to peel off some of the lower leaves, and I'm going to make sure that I take off the thorns. I'm going to put several together. This is going to be a bouquet where the stems are showing, so you want them about the same length. I'm also going to put in some greens. I'm using the ivy, like I used in the boutonniere. You can use lots of different kinds of greens or just one. I'm just going to use the ivy in this. And I'm also going to add some of our baby pink roses. So you can just keep building this up with as many flowers as you want. And of course try to pick flowers that match the color of the dress. And now we have our roses bundled together to make a bouquet. I'm going to take another piece of wire and wrap it around the stems so it's securely together. I've taken off the leaves and the thorns from the bottom of the stems because they will be showing. Then I'm going to take my florist tape and wrap it around the wire, pulling, stretching, and winding at the same time. Then I'm going to add a ribbon. I'm going to wrap it about twice around and secure it with a pin. Make sure that the pin goes straight down and does not stick out through the stems. You don't want your bride holding on to this and getting poked with a pin. Then I'm going to wind it around, overlapping slightly. This is going to be the place where the bride holds on to the bouquet. And the way I tie it off is a small knot here by wrapping the ribbon around itself and pulling out. And this can be your ribbon that hangs down. I'm going to curl it slightly, and so it's a nice curl of your bouquet.